Okay, my dear students, welcome back. Now we're going to use the book Student Parent Study Guide. I'm going to help you in studying online like this by using this book. It's very useful, and I'm going to give you the homework assignments on your practice book. Okay, so using a problem solving plan, I have here you can use a four-step plan to solve real life math related problems. As we see, these are the four steps: explore, plan, solve, examine. Okay, I'm not going to say this again. Okay, so example one here, leather. Okay, focus here. Leather bought 8 CDs, okay, at a sale. The first CD purchased costs $13. The first one costs, let's write some information together. Okay. Leather bought 8 CDs, right? Okay. The number of CDs are 8. The first CD, focus. First CD, okay, first CD costs what, how much? Yeah, $13. The first one costs $13, right? Yes, costs $13. And each additional CD, each additional CD costs 6. I bought already the first one by 13. How many CDs left? I say 8 CDs minus 1 that I already bought the first one, okay, equals to 7. So the other 7 CDs, it costs me 6, okay, each, okay. So again, I bought 8 CDs. The first one for $13, and next each one for $6. So 8, the total number of CDs minus the first one that I have bought, okay, gives me how many CDs left? 7 CDs left. So let's see how can we solve the problem here. First of all, explore, okay, know the information and what I have to solve. You're given the cost of the first CD, which is, yes, I can hear you, 13, right? Yes, Ali. And the cost of the additional CDs, okay, for each one is, yes, excellent. I have here $6. You need to find the total cost, and this is the total cost what he needs me to find. First, the number of additional CDs after the first CD he purchased. Okay, the plan. First of all, in my plan, okay, on my plan, I have the number of additional CDs after the first CD. What's this? The first CD, so I'm going to have extra 7 CDs because the total is 8 CDs, right? Right. It's easy. After the first, okay, multiply that number. What number? The 7 CDs by what? By their price. And their price was $6. Okay, each. $6 each, right? Okay. And then add here for the first one. I will add the cost of the first one. Who can tell me? Yes, Yusuf. Excellent. Yes, I can hear your voice. From here, it's $13. So let's do that calculation together. It's easy. Okay, again here, the solving. 8 minus 1, 8 CDs minus Julie, the first CD that I bought, gives me 7. And then this 7 CDs, okay, it costs me $6 each. So 6 times 7 equal 42, right? 42, the cost of, yes, the cost of 42 again, Julie. The cost of what? The cost of Farah, the cost of 6 CDs, plus the cost of the first CD, Abdurrahman, which was for, who can tell me? 13, plus here 42. It gives me the total, yes, it gives me the total here cost, $55. Okay, so the total cost of dollars 55 is close to the estimation of 50. What estimation? We didn't do the estimation yet. I have to estimate here the costs. Okay, so when you estimate the costs here, I have first, okay. Here, multiply that number by 6 and add 13 for the first city. Estimate the total cost by using what? Okay, but instead of 13, I used 15. Okay, and here 7 for the rest. And here I multiplied by, yes, I multiplied by, instead of 6, I multiplied by 5. Okay, so, and it gives me $50. This is for estimation. Instead of 13 again, gives me 15 plus 7, the number of CDs. Here, number of CDs. Okay, and 5 here, estimated instead of what? Instead of 6. Excellent. Okay, so the total cost is 55 of $55 is close enough to the estimation of $50. So the answer is reasonable. Okay, it makes sense. It's logic. Okay, here I have practice. Okay, the table of the right at the right, sorry, shows estimates of the number of species of plants and animals on earth. Find the total number of species on earth. Okay, write and explore. Write the explore step. Write the plan step. Solve the problem. Examine your solution. It's reasonable or not. Okay, let's see practice 1. Okay, for here number 1. Okay, and to find here the writing, the here he asked me to write the explore step. Okay, what's the explore step? You know the number of species in each group. Yes, I know the number of each species. Now I'm answering. Okay, so you know the number of each species. Okay, in each group you need to find what? You need to find the total number of species. So the explore step, what should I write in the explore step? You know the number of species. We know the number of species in each group, and we need to find the total number of species. Okay, so this is for letter A. Okay, then B, he asks me to write the plan step. It's very easy, the plan step. What should I do to answer this? The plan step is to add the numbers of all groups. Now I'm, okay, what should I do? Again, my dear students. The explore step, to write what I have of information and what does he asks me to find. So here the first one, to make sure that all of you knows how to answer this. You know the number of species of each group. This is given from the question, and I know here you need to find the total number of species. How to solve it? Your plan step, to add the numbers of all species, right or not? Right. Solve the problem. How can I solve the problem? Okay, the total is, I will solve it. It will be 4 million. If you added all the numbers, it will give you 4,888 and 888,288. Okay, I can write the number for you. If you solve it, it will give you 4,888,288, as you see here. Okay, this is for letter C. Solve the problem. Then examine your solution. Is it reasonable? So in this step, what should I do? Round the number of species in each group. I round the number of species of each group. Okay, this is explaining. I write this by myself. Okay, I write what I say. Round the number of species in each group to the nearest, what, my dear students? Fourth, to the nearest 1,000, and then add. This gives an estimation of 4,889, okay, thousand. If you here round each one, it will give you this number. This is close to the calculated answer, so the answer seems reasonable. I need you to find the rounding of 13, for example 13,644. Let's do it together again to make sure that you know the answer. So this one will be 13, yeah, 13, I have here 6, so it gives the 13 1, so the answer will be, who can tell me? This one, 13,644. So this is to the nearest thousands, so 6 will give 3 what 1, so it will be 14,000, and so on. Is it easy now? Okay, number 2. Jeff is 10 years old. His younger brother Ben is 4 years old. How old will Jeff will be when he's twice as old as Ben? Okay, what is this? Okay, I have here Jeff is 10 years old, okay, and his brother. Okay, dear students, this one it's very interesting one. Here I have this one. Jeff is 10 years old. His younger brother Ben is 4 years old. Here I have Jeff and here I have Ben. Jeff is 10 years old and here Ben is 4 years old. Okay, he asks me, how old will Jeff when he's twice as old as Ben? Okay, I want here to know the relationship between 10 and 4. Okay, here is what, minus 6. Right. Here it's the same, minus 6. Okay, how old will be Jeff when he is twice as Ben? What do you think? Twice as Ben. So here the twice it means that 2 times 6. So here he will be 12 years old and here Ben will be 6 years old. So he's what? He's twice as old as Ben. It's interesting. Okay, my dear students, the homework, I will tell you now the homework on your practice book, for the first the 1.1 lesson 1.1 on your practice book. Thank you, my dear students.